So you're wondering how you can turn yourself into an anime character using the new free AI, FOTOR.com. Well, this is the video you have been waiting for. Simply head over to FOTOR.com and sign up. If you don't already have an account, you can use Google to sign in, which is the easiest. And you get free credits on this website, which we're going to use. And I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. Simply skip that, and they will ask you for a free trial. And after that, we simply have to head over to this create page where we will have 8 credits with our free account and we can generate our images. So what we're going to do is simply select from image option, and then we can drag in our images which we would like to turn into the anime version. For example, we would select this image, and then now we have an option to choose a style. We have anime 1, Disney, and a lot of other options which you can choose from. So we're gonna go with anime 1. We don't need to do anything else here. We can select the number of images we want. So I'll keep that to 2 and then click on the generate button. Do note that it is going to take 2 credits, but we only have 8 in the free account, so you might be careful when making images on the free version. So you can consider upgrading it. And here we have some really nice looking anime version of that picture. As you can clearly see, this is a great style they have followed. And the images both look similar to our original ones, so that is a plus point. And they both have extraordinary qualities here. I really love them. You can download these images and you can do a lot of other options like remove the background or object remover, or you can even edit the image. But let's just go ahead and try some other images. For example, I have this image of a girl. I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to generate this image now. I'm also going to keep the anime version, but this time I'm going to select anime 2 instead of anime 1, and let's see how this one performs. Also, by the way, you can get free credits on this website as well. There is a task center where you can go and do some tasks, so you can get free credits every single day. And here we have absolutely stunning looking images of that girl turned into a completely anime version. And you can clearly tell that they both look amazing. Here we have sort of a mask and the background is like an abstract art. And there we have some sort of a background with people and some buildings. And the girl is not wearing a mask here and has a complete face. We also have a lot of other options, like for example, we can try the illustration art or the game art style as well. So we can go ahead and try the game art style, and let's select the Elon Musk for our image now. So we will delete that and just drag in our Elon Musk and then generate these images once again. And now we have Elon Musk turned completely into sort of a cyberpunk style game, and it's like a futuristic art. It resembles like a good old school game where you can see the character is like a badass main character or a final boss, something like that. I think it looks sort of cool. Let us know down in the comments what do you think about this. And yeah, that was all for today's tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Also, you should definitely check out this video. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.